Hi, and welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a tip which can avoid common nuisance when you're recording videos for YouTube or any other purpose using your mobile phone. While doing recording of any important videos, you may get notification or calls from any source which can interfere with your serious activity of video recording. My tip is a very simple and effective solution which can help you to focus and concentrate on the work you're doing. And I'm sure if you watch it fully till the end and practice it, it's going to help you in your future projects. I'm showing you a dummy recording. This is a notification coming in for a message which can really disturb you. Also, I'm going to put a call through so that you can see while recording how it disturbs and takes away the focus. So, in order to avoid these problems, my tip to you is it's best to record a video in airplane mode so that there is absolutely no interference to your recording via incoming calls or getting in messages or notification sounds when a message comes in. Press on the airplane mode and you can see the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth going off so that you can peacefully do a recording without any sounds, external sounds coming in. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below whether you liked my video. Thanks for watching and bye.